It's about 1:20 a.m. Sunday morning, and about 10 minutes ago I was just getting ready to go to bed. Been studying my Bible, preparing to teach here in a few hours, and I heard some ruckus in our front yard, and as I headed towards the door I heard a thump, and what I realized it was is some punks tearing up the U.S. flag on my front porch. You can see here they cut it with a knife, it looks like. And sorry, I'm trying to handle the camera so you can see it, but they ripped this corner down. See if you can see that there. They ripped that down and tore it, and it was hanging here. And so then I looked, and you can't see out in my front yard, but they took several of our signs I have out in the front yard. And I looked around, I didn't see any other damage, but took about $100 worth of stuff, either stole it or ripping it up, tearing it up. And I got news for them. That ain't going to change anything. I'll put more signs out, and I'll be looking into electrifying them, so the next time they show up they'll get a shock of their lives. I also have some bear pepper spray. It's in a big canister to use in case you ever come across bears, and I'll have that handy and ready, and if they come up on my porch next time they'll get a face full of that. And then if they dare to try to retaliate with some other kind of weapons, well, I'll do what I got to do. But I'm telling you, that I live out in the country, and these left-wing scumbags are not going to stop. They're going to have to be stopped. You better arm up. We're ready. They start shooting at us, we shoot back. And that's what they think of your flag. Tearing it up.